This is going to be a quick guide on how to use the Discord sysbot. Benefits of using the Discord sysbot will be it trades 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So anytime you want to trade with me, you can come in, use the sysbot. You don't have to worry about any delays. You can just use the sysbot, get what you need, and it will run all day. So if you're just joining the server, you should have access to Welcome, Start Here, and Scarlet Violet files. Currently trades for Scarlet Violet only. If you don't have access to SV-bot, just send me a DM and I can give you access. Number one thing you want to do is read through Welcome, and then when you're done with Welcome, go ahead and click Start Here in the Discord server. So what we'll do is you'll see this link here, play.pokemon showdown team builder. This is step number 1 for how to create your own set. I'll show that in a sec, but for simple trade commands, this is an example of a simple trade command. If you just want a Charmander for Pokedex or a Pikachu, anything really, just for Pokedex, all you got to do is copy this here and paste it into the sysbot channel. It's that simple. Once you do that, the bot will add you to the queue. It'll send you a direct message of what your code will be. You enter your code, and then you trade. And that's as easy as it gets, really. That's for the simple bot trade command. You can even just type it here. It's $trade and any Pokemon name, really. So we can do Koraidon. And it'll add you to the queue. It'll send you a code. And it'll tell you when to search also. So just pay attention to what it tells you. And that's for the simple trade command. If you want to create your own sets, you just click the link here on play.pokemon showdown, and it'll bring you here. Here, all you got to do is click New Team, click Add Pokemon, and this part is super simple too. If we want to create a Charizard, you would click Charizard. You can do a Master Ball for the item, or any other item you want to choose. You can choose the ability. We'll go with the hidden ability Solar Power, and then in the details section here, you can modify the level. We'll do level 70. We want a male Charizard. We want it shiny. For the Terra, we want it to be a Dragon Terra. And then we can just choose movesets here. So we want to do Ancient Power, Dragon Pulse, Fire Blast, and Flamethrower. You can choose the EVs that you currently want, or you can just click this box here for a beneficial set based on the moves that were chosen. And that'll populate that. Also, it'll populate the nature. So you don't have to choose the nature unless you want to choose the nature. Then you can just choose the nature. Once you're completely done filling everything in, also if you want to name your Charizard Drogon, you can do a nickname, or you can just leave this blank and it'll just be Charizard. So we're gonna just nickname this one for just to show what that looks like. And then all you got to do is click Import Export, copy this here, go back to Discord, go to the sysbot channel, and then you'll just have to type $TRADE space, and then you'll just paste your set here. Just make sure there's a space after trade. So you'll just do, it needs trade, that's the trade command, and then you paste the set that you just created, you hit enter, and then it sends the code. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. If you want to create your own sets, you can use the Showdown Team Builder to create your own sets. If you do not, and you just need a simple trade for Pokedex, or just a simple Pokemon and you don't care too much about stats or anything like that, you can just enter the name. Or in Scarlet Violet files, there's a bunch of preset beneficial sets that I just post here. So Skuntank, Azumarill, Slowbro. And it's the same for these also. If you just want to, if you want a Miraidon with a beneficial set, pull a Miraidon from here. All you got to do is copy from trade down to the last move, and then you'll just paste it here. As soon as you hit enter, just be ready to go enter the code that the bot sends you. And that's as easy as that is. You can also just message me. I can send you a beneficial code set that you can paste into the sysbot. But those are the options that you have. You can just do a simple trade command. You can do one of these basic trade commands, or you can create your own set. Again, the bot runs 24/7, so you can trade with it at any time of the day. Feel free to ask. Feel free to DM if you have any questions. And thanks for watching.